This napkin fold is called the Bird of Paradise. And you start with your napkin seam side up. You fold it in half. And then you fold that in half also. And you're going to have one end that has all the loose strands. So what you do is you take the opposite end and you fold it on top of that. Make a triangle. And then you just flip it over to where those loose strands are on top. And you take the two corner pieces and you fold them down. Okay. Now you have these two little tail pieces, and you're going to take those and fold them underneath, and then you're going to fold this in half so it creates like a little boat. You're going to hold this tight. You're going to take the loose strands and just pull them back. And there's the Bird of Paradise.